Good morning, everyone. Today we will be learning about Native American contributions and specifically medicine. All right, so modern medicine really has evolved in the last um, couple hundred years, but over 200 of the medicinal plants that are listed in the U.S. Pharmacopoeia are American Indian discoveries. And some byproducts from these plants include petroleum jelly, novocaine, ipecac, and aspirin. So these are all derived from plants that were discovered by American Indians. So some plants that American Indians used for their own healing and medicine are blackberry. They created a tea which cured diarrhea, an all-natural cough syrup, and overall the blackberry plant just strengthened the entire immune system. They also use rosemary to alleviate sore joints, treat indigestion, improve memory, relieve muscle spasms, and help the circulatory and nervous systems. They also used mint, which helped with an upset stomach. And then they could create a salve from leaves that was used to relieve itching skin and rashes. Wild rose, they created a tea that stimulated the bladder and the kidneys and also worked as a little bit of a diuretic. And then they could create a petal infusion, which was used for a sore throat. They used sage to purify energies to cleanse the body. And you might be familiar with this one. Burning sage kind of clears the room of bad energies and things like that. It was also used to treat abdominal cramps, spasms, cuts, bruises, colds, and the flu. And lastly, they used wild ginger to treat earaches or ear infections, bronchial infections, or nausea. So holistic healing, this really emphasizes the importance of the connection between spiritual, emotional, and physical health. And it's mainly based on the belief that unconditional love and support is the most powerful healer. So when you have your family, you have your community, you have yourself coming together to support you, that can heal you from pretty much anything. And ultimately, a person is responsible for his or her own health and well-being. So whether you seek out the resources that you need, the medicine that you need, the therapy that you need, and holistic healing really focuses on using all of those things. So talk therapy, medicines, things like acupuncture and essential oils and all of those things come together to heal the body as a whole. So Native Americans used a lot of symbolic healing. They had healing ceremonies which played an important role in their overall well-being. They involved the patient, the family, and the community, and these ceremonies could last for days or weeks. The more people present, the greater the healing energy. So the more people to give their energy, the greater the energy towards the patient who needed healing. And then songs, prayer, music, and dance from the family and community all contribute to the healing energy. So they would get together and they would sing and pray and dance together, and sometimes they would create art together and do all of these things as just a healing ceremony for the patient. So for your activity, I want you to research one item, object, or idea that we have today that was a contribution from the Native Americans. This can be anything from food, clothing, language, to technology, transportation, philosophy, economy, anything really, recipes, art, anything you can think of that was a contribution from the Native American culture. And then I want you to find 3 facts about it and where it originated from. So what tribe it came from, what area in the United States it came from, and then 3 facts. So just any fact you can think of or that you can find when you're researching about this object or idea or whatever you come up with that was a contribution from the Native Americans.